Yes, good evening, my people from all the way from France. My name is Efe Uwanogo. This evening, I say make I quickly do this small video. Make I send give my people, make them for they aware of everything we be say they happen now. We cannot see any reason where be say Facebook will block me for coming live because what it be name Adeyinka grandson. Yes, Adeyinka grandson. He talk and hold up. He talk and openly for social media. He even they shout on top of his voice with so many minutes. Talk and say he go kill the whole of Igbo indigenes with chemical weapons. Say go finish even the coastal region. Say go finish everybody together. He said now only people when go spare, now only the Fulani people. Now he say he go spare. Now I come out yesterday now due to the video when we say they viral about our supreme leader. I come out yesterday. Make I talk the people when we say they against this our struggle. When I not say now the Yorubas because the last time when we check now that day for media, so they very obvious say Yoruba people they against our freedom. When we say it come to time to scandal anybody when they fight for Biafra struggle or any IPOB member, now they go there available to they publish the news for everywhere. But when Adeyinka grandson talks, he go kill everybody. Nobody come, no Facebook block and Facebook not ban the video. As we they speak now, the video see there on top of that place. And they use this media after they tell you, you know, you will be that Urobo man, you will be that Urobo woman, you will be that Ijoma, you will be that Isoko man. You will be that Okwane man, you will be that Igbo man. So you did that play, they deceive yourself, you say you know Nigeria. They use this opportunity now, they tell you now, say you not slave. So far as I'm concerned, Nigeria belongs to the Yoruba and the Fulanis. You must wake up as an individual now. May you know where you belong. You are a Biafran. You have to stand up and fight for your rights. Stand up and fight for your rights. These people don't mean well for us. Why did they hide? Why they go they hide the truth? Why they go they hide the truth from the media? Where self-determination na crime? Self-determination not be crime. Most of them today will be doctor, will be fashion designer, hairdresser, whatever profession where you be, you dey very determined to do it. You dey very determined. Now the determination where you put, then make you become that doctor, that whatever profession where we say you be. Now we don't get determined say we won't restore, we won't get our freedom, we won't get our nation Biafra. Now social media they fight against us, individual they fight against us, tribe they fight against us. We won't know where we belong. We won't let everybody now to tell us say see where we belong. We call on the UN, we call on the international body, we call on individual when we say they for our land. Self-determination not be crime. Self-determination not be crime. Why do they treat us like slaves? Why do they treat us like slaves? Are we not humans? We not deserve to live. We not deserve to live as a human. After many people when we say they don't kill. They don't kill for our time. The time when we say the time of our forefather. The genocide when we say they do against us. That one see day. But this present time, this our present generation, the genocide see they go on. The genocide see they go on. Nobody they speak for us. We want our nation Biafra. Biafra that we want. That be the only thing when we don't see say go fit set us free. We call on everybody, individual, wherever you are. The lovers of freedom, wanna stand up to speak for Biafra. They are killing us on daily basis. Stand up to speak for Biafra. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Now this small message now I get for my fellow Biafra. Oh hey Biafra. Biafra flag will continue to they fly high. It go they fly high. It go continue to they fly high. Nobody go fit drop this flag. With this generation, we don't raise this flag. Nobody go fit drop her. It will continue to fly and fly high. You go continue to fly and fly high. Next generation to come go see what this generation do. My fellow Biafra, my fellow youth, wanna stand up. Now self-determination. Anything where you stand up and you dey determined to do and you must achieve them. I urge every one of them make we stand up. Make we put hands together to liberate ourselves. Thank you.